Hey guys, Ryan here with Tonic Site Shop, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use and add the Pinterest style post grid to your blog. So it's going to look something like this, where you have one post here on the left hand side and then the next post is over here on the right hand side, and then it's just going to duplicate back and forth. So we're going to be using this as a demo site. This is the Vesper blog, and you can see if I scroll down here, the Vesper blog kind of has this layout where there's a single image row, and then you have another row of a post here, another row, and it keeps just kind of going down instead of it being side by side with two columns. So let's look at how we can update that. So the first thing to do is head over to your blog page. Under the site tab, you can find blog templates, and go ahead and click on blog, then click on page. You'll want to find where your existing blog post layouts are. So on this one, we have post 1 and post 2. Sometimes it will just be one post layout. Sometimes you'll have 3 or 4. So what you'll want to do is just find those and delete them, because we don't want these anymore. We're going to be re-adding them. If you have something like this called closed loop or anything, and that came with your original design, you can go ahead and delete that as well, just because we are going to be adding a completely new blog layout for the actual dynamic part of the blog. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that as well. So what we're left with is the pagination at the end. And then this section specifically on the Vesper is just a static section as well, where you go in and you hand type your blog post. So this is where the dynamic part is going to happen right after the spacer. And dynamic meaning WordPress is going to speak with Showit and pull in blog posts. So after we have that deleted, let's click on the blog title here. Click the 3 dots and click Add New Canvas. Then click on My Library and find the blog expansion pack, the advanced one. Click on Pinterest style post grid, and then click on post grid. And we're going to add that to our website. So again, we need to add this right underneath the spacer and right above pagination. It might look different on your blog. Just go ahead and add it wherever your existing post grid started. So we have this now. Again, this is already set up for you. There's nothing else we have to do since we've added this. Let me go ahead and show you how this canvas works though. We have 2 blog posts that are going to show up here. The first one is in view 1. We have an image, and that image is set to be the WordPress featured image. So you don't actually have to update the image here or anything. You don't have to duplicate this canvas to add more blog posts. It's automatically going to do that for you. This text box here is the post top category. So it's going to show the first category that you categorize it as. And this is the post title. Jumping over to view 2, we can see the second post. Again, WordPress featured image there, top category, and post title. So with all of that there already set up for you, all we have to do now is go ahead and click publish and publish our blog. Now let's head over to the blog page and see what it looks like. So here we are on the Vesper blog. And again, this is before I refreshed it. So we can see that existing blog post style that it comes with the Vesper template. But now that we've updated that, if I refresh, you're going to see here that the post list area has completely changed. So we have our first post here, our second post here. And if we scroll down, it's just going to keep repeating itself until it hits the post limit. So you can actually set the post limit in WordPress. I'll show you how you can do that. Let's get to the bottom here. 10, 11. Perfect. So that worked out great. If you maybe have an issue where this spot right here at the very end stays blank, it's probably because you need to make sure that WordPress adds the correct amount of blog posts for your site. So let me show you how that's done. If we jump over to your WordPress dashboard, so go to yourwebsite.com/wp-admin, and you can log into WordPress, and then go down to settings and reading. Here, we're going to see blog pages show at most, and it's going to have a number. So we have it set to 12. Let's go ahead and set it to 11 and click Save Changes, and you'll see what this does to the blog. If I refresh the blog here, you'll see as I scroll down, and after this blog post, which it says number 10, but it's actually the 11th blog post because it starts with 0. And I've numbered these just for conveniences to see how many blog posts we have. So we can see this is the 11th blog post, and we have a big space here because we're missing that 12th one. Maybe you don't want your blog page to be this long. Maybe you only want to show, 4 blog posts. You can go back to reading here and update this to 4. And if we hit Save Changes, we can refresh. And after 4 posts, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to have our pagination show up. And it stops right there. And then people can click older posts, and it will show 4 more posts until they hit this again. So it's that easy, guys. If you guys have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out.